students, how are you all? Good morning all of you, and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start our third chapter, that is decimals. In previous chapter already we have learned about the fractional numbers. Yes, how to addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions, and also representing the graphical method also we have learned. But today we are going to start that decimal part or the decimal numbers. Students, in previous classes already 6th class already have studied that what are the decimals number. So decimal numbers means whenever we will find it is not a whole number, it is not a fractional number, such like that one number, special number is there, that we have to say decimal number. Let us see one with one number. So what is this? Now this is the decimal numbers. So what you should read this number? Already have learned that in previous video, previous classes. What is the number? What is we should read this number? Can you see? Yes. We have to say this read as 3 point. This is here one point is there too, not like. So 3 point next 8, 4, 5. You should not read it. 3.845 we cannot read. So how to read? Now while you are writing this number, if decimal numbers, how to read? First of all you observe. Decimal after, observations, after the decimal point. This is called as a decimal point. What is this? Decimal point. Okay. So this decimal numbers divided into two parts. One is whole parts, whole numbers, another one is decimal parts. Okay. So decimal numbers having the two parts. One is whole numbers, natural numbers like whole part, and another one is decimal part. So this is called as a decimal part. What is this? Decimal part. After the decimal is called as a decimal part. So students, the decimal part, all the digits you have to read one by one. Okay? Together you don't read, but before that decimal part, decimal number, the decimal point, you read as usual number. Okay? So this you have to read 3.845. Don't read 3.845. Okay? So suppose you can read as 3.845. Okay, 3.845. Suppose if it is there, what you should read it? We have to read. This is called as whole part, whole number part. This is called as a decimal number part. So this number you have to read as usual. 235.132. What you should read it? 235.132. Did you understand how to read that decimal number? You have to read if this is called as a decimal point, and this right side is decimal, right side is called a decimal part, and this is whole part, and this whole number part you have to read as usual 235, and decimal part after that all digits you have to read 132 like this 845. Are you clear? Okay. Students, now we are going to discuss about that. What are the places? What is the place value of the decimal numbers? Okay. So there are different places. How like our Indian place value chapter, ones, thousand, lakhs are there, crores are there. Same like it. After the decimal place, we have to learn also. Okay. So come to here, students. I have table. I have drawn that place value tables. So observe here, students. First one lakhs, thousands, ones. Next here the table 1/10th, 1/100th, 1,000th. So decimal part table you have to read like this way. Students, From here to you observe that this is the decimal part. From here to this is called as decimal part. Okay, that means from here this is the decimal and this is whole part. Already we have studied that. Ones, thousands, lakhs, same as it. But whenever decimal part right side you are going, first place is called 1/10, 1/10, 100th, 1/100, 1000th, 1/1000. Like this, it will go 110. It will increase. Okay, students. So now let us see how this, what is the place value and how it is expanding form. We have to observe. Are clear? So write the following decimals in expanded form. How we are expanding these numbers we have to see. So observe first question given here 5.23. 5.23 means this place from the decimal part. Before place first one is ones place. You see this is the decimal place I told. Decimal part of first place is ones place. So this is ones place decimal number. Then after 1/10. This is 100th. This is 1/10. This is 100th. Second place. Decimal after we have to go one by like that. This is 10th, 1/10. This is 100th. So now write down 5 into it is a place value. Which place it is there? Because it is ones place. So 5 into 1 plus decimal number after is there. So this is 1/10. So 2 into 1/10 plus what is the place value here? 3. So 3 into 100. Are you clear, friends? Observe here 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1/10 plus 3 into 1/100. Or we can write this 5 into 1 5 plus 2 into 1 means you can multiply up 2/10 plus 3/100 also you can write. Okay, same like you should do this one also, friends. Check first decimal part first before place this check. This is ones 100, ones, tens, 100. This is 1/10, 100, 1/10. This is 100th. Right side wherever will go, friends, from here to this is decimal part. You remember that carefully. This is the decimal point. This is decimal point on right side is 1/10, 100, 1000. Here as is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So like this it will go. So here observe, friends. Here what is the number? Read now. 500.03. So expanded means this is 100. So 5 into 100 plus here 0 is there. No need to write 0 plus also 0 you can write plus here 1/10 place 0 is there. 0 plus this is 100 place is there. 1/10 100 place. So 3 into 1/100. Okay, this we can write also 500. Okay, 5 into 100 500 plus 0 plus 0 0 that we can no need to write also. If you want to write no problem. If this no need to write, only plus keep plus 3 by how much, friends? 100. You can write it like this way also. Friends, next we can go for this. You read this question 5.734. So 5 is ones place. This is 1/10. This is 100. This is 1000. So write down this is 5 into 1 plus this is 10th place, 1/10 place. So 7 into 1/10 plus this is 100th, 100th. So 3 into 100 means 1/100. This is 1000 plus 4 into 1000. We can write also simplify if you do 5 plus 7/10 plus 3/100 plus 4/1000. This is also you can write. Okay, students. So I hope you have understand this about this, and in next addition basic operations of the decimals, how to multiply, how to addition, how to subtraction, divisions we will see in our next video. Okay, students. Thank you.